Hello everyone, welcome to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. In the previous video, we told you that we have lost our 36 videos through some unknown sources. Also, we have been able to get some of our videos back. In that video, we promised you that we are going to show you the step-by-step process how to retrieve your deleted videos. So in this video, we are going to show that exact step-by-step process how we have got our videos back. So stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any of the steps.
So here we have come to a computer screen. So now in this video we are going to show you how to get your deleted videos back. So as you know already, 36 videos have been deleted and among them 27 have been restored. So first thing that you need to do, go to your YouTube channel and then click on help. And after clicking on help, so here in this segment you click on contact us. After clicking on contact us, what can we help you with? Click on that and then here it is written, please tell us what we can help you with. So here you will put your request, like I am writing here request to restore the deleted video. So you'll have to write something like request to restore the deleted YouTube videos. So after you write that down, next thing that you are going to do, click on next. Okay, so here see choose the best description. So you will write other than next. So then you can see here the case ID is already generated. So after you click next, so here again you click on next. So see here the two options are given. One is chat option and another is email option. So first I'll show you the process of how to chat with the YouTube authorities to get back your videos. So let's see how to get your videos back through chat process. So click on chat and then you have to give the channel URL. So here you can see the channel URL. So copy it and paste it here. After that, here in this segment, how can we help you? So here again you write down your request. So like the way I'm writing, hi team, like you can write anything that you want related to that YouTube video. So here as I'm writing that hi team, I have deleted few of my videos, or maybe you can write few of my YouTube videos have been deleted mistakenly. So you just write that down and let's see what happens after that. So as I am writing that I have deleted a few of my videos by mistake, please help me to restore the YouTube videos. After you write that down, then start chat. So here you will have to wait for few, you will have to wait for some time so that they can respond to your chat. Okay. And also one thing you keep in mind that while you are requesting for getting back your videos, you'll have to make sure you have all the deleted videos link ready. So for that, you'll have to go to the playlist of your channel, and how to know that which videos have been deleted, you will already see that. So suppose I am clicking on this playlist. So here it is written one unavailable video is hidden. That means one video is deleted already. So here on the three dots where I am saying that show the hidden video. So here you can see that that video has been deleted. So you copy the link of the video, and after you copy the link of the video, so here you can see I have pasted the link of the deleted videos. So like that you paste the link of the deleted videos so that you can use these links when these links are asked, because you are going to get the videos back through this link only. Okay, so here that is why make sure you keep the YouTube video link ready. Okay, and with the same process you go to your YouTube channel and you check which videos have been deleted. So again you can go to the playlist and then you can check which videos have been deleted. So as you can see here, so let me scroll it down a bit. So you can see which videos have been deleted from this channel. So yeah, so here you can see that these videos have been deleted, and here also you can see the videos have been deleted. So what you need to do, you'll have to get the URL, you'll have to get the link of this video so that you can retrieve the videos back. So here what you can do, You can click on the video. So when you are clicking on the video, see, yeah. So see here the video is not playing, but here the link is given. So you copy the link again and again you paste the link here so that you can use that for future reference. Okay. And now I'll show you how to contact with the YouTube authority through email. As I showed previously how to contact with them through chat, and now I'll show you how to contact with them through email. So again you'll have to follow the same process. You'll have to go to your YouTube channel and then you'll go to the help box, and after clicking on the help, again the same process you'll have to follow. Ask the help community, or you can also click on contact us, and here what can we help you with. So here you will have to put the same request like I want to restore my YouTube deleted videos, or in simply restore my deleted YouTube videos, please help. So like that you can write. So here as I am writing, restore my deleted YouTube videos. So then you will click on next, and here again click on other, then click on next step, and here you see the case ID is already been generated, so that is also necessary. Case ID is generated, so next step, and again you click on next step. And here you see these two options are here, chat and emails. We have seen the chat process, so we'll click on email. So after clicking on email, so the page is open here. So here you give the first name. So as I am writing first name, so here write your first name and then last name. After you write your first name and last name, and then channel URL that you already had copied, and then here how can we help you. So in this segment you write down your email. So see here the word count is 1000. So within 1000 word you can write down your email. So see what I am writing there. So like, hi team, you can greet them, and then I'm writing the things. I have deleted some of my YouTube videos by mistake. Please help to restore and recover the video. It seems someone accessed our account and deleted some of the videos. So here you can copy the same thing that I am writing, or you can write it by your own. Whatever you feel the problem is, you just write that down. I am writing my own problem here. If you can just copy it, and then otherwise you can write whatever your issue is regarding. So next we have changed the user ID, password, and also restricted our authorization for editor authorization. Please help to restore the videos. So next is your issue about special video. Click on yes, and then video ID. So here you need that particular segment where I say that you will have to collect the video URL, the video links of the deleted videos. So that you need to put up here. So you see here. So go back to the portion where you put the URL of the deleted videos, copy it and then paste it here, and then here you see add another field. Again you paste another video URL and paste it here. Again here it is written add additional field. So again you can follow the same process. So again you can copy it from here and then you paste it there, and like that as many videos you have, you follow the same process. Just keep on click on this add additional field and then you keep copying the URL and then you just paste it here. Okay. So now here, as I put the video, now click on no. So here you just put right here, okay, and then click on submit. Just click on submit and now just wait for a moment to get it sent. Okay, so now that you can see the email has been sent already, so now you will have to wait for their reply. Okay. So here you can see I have got the mail already from the YouTube support. So here as you can see they have written me the mail regarding my deleted videos, like hi Shandeep, I hope this email finds you well. Upon further checking, our system can only recover 6 of the 15 videos. So for now, like we had asked them to recover our 15 videos. For now they have recovered 6 of the videos only. So don't lose your hope when they are sending the mail. So you keep on doing the same thing and gradually you'll be getting the mails and gradually your videos will be recovered. So see here it's written, please certify that you are the owner of this video. Yes, please certify that you are requesting the YouTube team to reinsert the deleted video on your belief. Okay, behalf, okay. So according to the mail you have to recover. So here again we have another mail we have got, we can only recover a total of 8 videos. So first we saw that 6 videos have been deleted, so we can see 8 videos have been recovered here, and then you can like they have already also asked us to please certify that if you are here or not. See here, just good news, we have managed to restore 8 of your videos. It might take a little while, up to 24 hours for them to show up again on your channel. Let us know if you need help. So like that you just keep checking your mail and follow their instructions, and from the mail itself you can know how many videos have been recovered. But here don't lose hope. Maybe all together your videos will not be recovered. You'll have to keep the practice continue so that you can get the email. So here I'm showing you some of the mails that I have got from the YouTube. So like this mail, if you see this mail, so here you can see, let me open the mail. So here see I have got another mail, like first of all I would like to thank you for giving me the time and all. So it is from the YouTube team I have got the mail basically. So see what is written here, this is done the support, and let me show you another mail also. Wait, so here, so here you can see how many mails I have got. So let me check another mail here. So here you see that key, thank you for reaching out, my name is and all. So here thank you for all. See this mail. I hope you're doing well. So here you see that YouTube support request, like they have given the case number and also they have been able to recover some of our videos. So they will keep updating you. So you'll also have to be updated through the mail. You'll have to check your mail. So yeah, see these videos we have already been recovered, and yes. So this is the way that you can recover your videos back. So between chat and email is the easiest process. I think you should opt for the email so that you can get your videos back soon. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this video was very useful to you and very helpful to you. thank you for watching the video till the end. And if you haven't still subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and please like the video and share the video with everyone who needs this video. Thank you for today. Be happy and keep safe.